How to block websites in Chrome on Android. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Chrome. Go to search bar and search NextDNS. Click on NextDNS official website and in here click on try it now. You don't need to sign up for it. Click on try it now and you will find this kind of screen pop up. Scroll to the left and you will find parental control. In here you can add a website, app, or game. If not, simply go to deny list, add a domain which you want, and then go to setup located at left side. After that, scroll down and you'll find DNS over HTTPS. Copy that. After you've copied that, click on three dots on top right and then go to settings, located at bottom. In here, you will find privacy and security. Scroll down, you'll find use secure DNS. And then click on choose another provider and then click on custom. After that, paste the DNS you copied earlier and you're good to go. This is how to block websites in Chrome on Android. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.